Now we will try to learn the concept of 3 variable K-map. In 2 variable, we have simply divided one variable on both the sides. One side was A, one side was B. But now if there are 3 variables A, B and C, on one side there will be one variable, on the other side there has to be 2 variables. So there has to be 2 variables on one side. Now in this case there is no problem, A can be equal to 0 or A can be equal to 1. But for 2 variables B and C, we have 4 combinations. For 2 variables B and C, we have 4 combinations. 2 variables, we have 4 combinations. So these 4 combination, now comes the very important point in a K-map. Here the 4 combinations will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and then 1, 0. Please mark this carefully. In binary, what combination we use? We use 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. But in gray code, we use 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and then 1, 0. This is because gray code is a unit distance code. Unit distance code. This is because gray code is a unit distance code. Gray code is a unit distance code. Now, it is not like this. In 2 variable we were using binary and in this we are using gray code. No. In 2 variables also we were using gray code only. In 2 variable K-map also we were using gray code only. We did not discuss because there is no difference in 1-bit gray code and 1-bit binary code. Please see. 1-bit binary code means 0 to 1-bit binary code means 0, 1. 1-bit gray code also means 0, 1. In 1 bit there is no difference between binary code and gray code. In 1 bit there is no difference between gray code and binary code, but in 2 bit there is a difference. In 2 bit binary is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In gray code 2 bit is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. We use gray code in K-map since or because gray code is a unit distance code which supports minimization. So we use gray code in K-map whether it be 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable or 5 variable. In any number of variables, we use gray code only. So now see here. This is a very major difference that we use in K-map. We don't use binary sequence. We use gray code sequence. Now, on the basis of this, there will be difference in the numbering. On the basis of this, there will be difference in the numbering. Please see. I am going to write ABC for each cell. I am going to write the sequence ABC for each cell. So this will become 0, 0, 0. This will become 0, 0, 1. This is 0, 1, 1 and this is 0, 1, 0. Sequence ABC will become 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now see here. In decimal, it will become 0, 1, this is 3 and this is 2. In decimal, this will become 4, 5, this is 7 and 6. So slowly during the practice, you have to learn all these basic differences that we have in a K-map. So you should be able to write this is 0, this is 1, this last one is 2 and this second last is 3. In the same way, start from 4, 4, 5, last one is 6, second last is 7. 0, 1, last one is 2, second last is 3. 4, 5, last one is 6, second last is 7. Now see, this will be common whether it be SOP or it be POS. This will be common whether it be SOP or this will be POS. Please see, this K-map I am writing for SOP, the below K-map I will be using for POS. Below K-map I will be using for POS. Now, these things will be common for both SOP and POS. Means, see, what you should practice, see, this is cell number 0, this is cell number 1, this last one is cell number 2 and this is cell number 3. Slowly with practice, you will be comfortable with this one. Start with 4, this is 4, this one is 5, last one is 6, second last one is 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 will come later than 3. I mean 2 will come after 3, 6 will come after 7. This is because of the difference in binary and gray code. This is because of the difference between binary and gray code. Please see. Now these combinations will not change. A is equal to 0, A is equal to 1 will not change. Combination of BC 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0 will not change. All these things are common whether you go for whether you go for SOP or you go for POS. Means the sequence 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, the sequence 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0. This sequence will be same. Now, here comes the difference. Here comes the difference. In SOP, A is equal to 0 means A complement and this is normal A. What will happen in POS? Please see. In POS, A is equal to 0 is normal and this is complement. In POS, 0 is normal, 1 is complement. Now the same thing we will discuss with B and C. This is B and C. SOP, individual term is product term. Individual term is product term. So this is B complement C complement. This is B complement C. This is BC and this is BC complement. This is BC complement. Individual terms are product terms. Individual terms are product terms. Please see. Here, this is what? This is POS. In POS, what are individual terms? Individual terms are sum terms. Please see. Sum terms means this is B plus C. This is B plus C complement. This is B complement plus C complement and this is B complement plus C. This is B complement plus C. Now, if I combine all the three variables, this will become A complement, B complement, C complement, A complement, B complement, C, A complement, B, C, A complement, B, C complement. A, B complement, C complement, A, B complement, C, A, B, C, A, B, C complement. Individual terms are sum terms. Please see. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C complement, A plus B complement plus C complement, A plus B complement plus C. A complement plus B plus C, A complement plus B plus C complement, A complement plus B complement plus C complement, A complement plus B complement plus C. This is the complete structure of K-map in 3 variable format. Now, let me tell you in short what is actually a unit distance code or how it helps in minimization. How it helps in minimization. Please see. Please see. Consider expression ABC complement plus AB complement C complement. And consider another expression ABC complement plus AB complement C. In the first expression, see, try to minimize both the expression. Try to minimize both the expression. In this one, if you take AC complement common, this will be B plus B complement. B plus B complement will get reduced and answer will be AC complement. B plus B complement will get reduced and answer is AC complement. What will happen in this one? I can take only A common. I can take only A common and B C complement plus B complement C. It is not possible to reduce. None of the variables will be reduced. Why? Because two variables, there is a difference. Please see this one. Now notice this one. Now notice this one. In SOP, this is 110. This is 100. Now this 1 and this 0, this 1 and this 0 are constant. There is change in only one bit. There is change in only one bit. If there is change in only one bit, it means only one variable is in both the format. So we can reduce that particular variable. But what is happening here? Please see this one. 110, 101. Only, please see, only this is constant. B and C both are changing. B and C both are changing. If two variables are changing simultaneously, reduction is not possible. If two variables are changing simultaneously, reduction is not possible. If one variable is changing, it will definitely be reduced. So, in these two expressions, there is a difference of only one bit. And in these two expressions, there is a difference of 2 bit. If there is a difference of 2 bit, minimization is not possible. Minimization is possible only if there is a difference in 1 bit. Minimization is possible if there is a difference in only 1 bit. So now please see here. See this one. There is a difference of, please see, there is a difference in both the bits. These are the simultaneous codes in binary. These are the simultaneous codes in binary. Both the bits are different, they will not support minimization. Also, this 11 with 00 again, this 11 with 00 again, 2-bit difference. They will not support minimization. But see what is the beauty of gray code. The beauty of gray code is that, see, there is only 1-bit difference in these two. There is only 1-bit difference in these two. There is only 1-bit difference in these two. And the best part is there is 1-bit difference in these two. Compare these two, only 1 bit differ. Compare these two, again 1 bit differ. Compare these two, again 1 bit differ, and the most beautiful thing, last and first also differ by 1 bit. So whenever there is a difference in 1 bit, reduction occurs. Otherwise reduction will not occur. So please see here. Consider any two neighboring cell. Consider. See, if you consider these two, only one variable is different. Consider these two. Any two neighboring cell you consider, only one variable is in difference, minimization will definitely occur. And the most beautiful part of K-map now, if you check this and this one, then also a reduction is possible. Please see, A complement, C complement, A complement, C complement. B plus B complement will get reduced. This is the most beautiful part of K-map. This last one and this first one can also be grouped. Last one and first one can also be grouped. Same thing can happen here. Just check any two neighboring cell. Check any two neighboring cell. They always will differ in only one variable and reduction is possible. This basic reason should be very clear to you. You will never get confused in any of the question, however difficult the question may be. Now, please see, what about grouping of 4 cells? Please see. Now, there is this possibility of 4 cells grouping. We can make a group of 4 cells. Please see this one. Now, again, the most easy part is compare with Boolean law. See, I will write these 4 terms. Please see. A plus B plus C. This one. A complement plus B plus C. This one. A plus B complement plus C. A complement plus B complement plus C. In these two, B plus C is common. In these two, B plus C is common C. B plus C and B plus C. So this will become B plus C plus A dot A complement, distributive law. In this one, B complement plus C is common in both. Distributive law, this would become A dot A complement. Okay? Now, this A dot A complement is 0. Again, this A dot A complement is 0. This will give me equal to B plus C and B complement plus C. Again, use distributive law. So, this will be C is common, C plus B dot B complement. So, your answer is C. In first step, you minimized A because A dot A complement is 0. In the next step, you minimize B because B dot B complement is also 0. Final answer is C. Now, how to get it from the K-map? How to get this answer from the K-map is very simple. Please see in this entire group. What is common? See, this C, C, C and C. In this entire group, C is common. So, answer is C. Why A and B are not available in the answer? Because they both will get reduced one by one. First step A got reduced, second step B got reduced. Both will get reduced because there are all the possible combinations for A and B. Please see. A plus B complement, A complement plus B, A complement plus B complement. All the possible options, all the combinations of A and B are present, so they will get minimized. So what answer you are going to get? You are going to get C. And how to connect last one with the first one, this I have already justified to you. This is the beauty of gray code. This is because of the beauty of gray code, you can connect the last with the first one. Because this is the beauty of gray code. Now, let us try some basic questions. First, I am targeting SOP, then I will also practice for POS. First, I am targeting SOP. Now see, what things are common? These cell numbers are common whether you go for SOP or you go for POS. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cell number is irrespective of SOP and POS. Cell number is irrespective of SOP and POS. Please see. So now this is A and this is B, C. So this is A complement and this is A. If you want me to go step by step, let me write this is A is equal to 0 and this is A is equal to 1. Then what is the sequence of BC? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. This will give me B complement C complement, B complement C, BC, BC complement, this is A complement and this is A, since we are using SOP. Since we are using SOP. Now see, what min terms are given to you? 0, 1, 4, 5. Please see, 0, 1, 4, 5. Min terms I will represent with 1 in the K map. Now please see, I can form this group. One thing I want to mark here, what are the group sizes possible? Group sizes possible are 2 to the power n. How much big group you can make? You can make a group of 2 to the power 0, you can make a group of 2 to the power 1, you can make the group of 2 to the power 2 and so on. You can make a group of 1 min term, 2 min terms, 4 min terms and 8 min terms. Means 6 min terms grouping is never possible. Number of cells in a group should be of the size of the form 2 to the power n. Why 1? Because if there is no group possible, we have to mark all individual. Remember, if there is no grouping possible, you have to mark all of them individual. That is why. So 1, 2, 4 and 8. Please see. So group size of 4 is possible, group size of 2 is possible, group size of 8 is possible, group size of 6 is never possible. Okay. So what are the shapes of group possible? Straight line, either horizontal or vertical. Straight line, either horizontal or vertical, and rectangle is also possible. Rectangle is also possible. Please see. Now, you see here. So now, what is common? What is common for the entire group? Please see. C complement, sorry, not C complement, I am sorry here. It is not C complement is not common. Please see. Why C is not common? Why C is not common? Because it is changing. For this part it is C complement, for this part it is C. So C will get reduced. Please see, C will get reduced. This A will also get reduced. So only thing left is B complement. So this corresponds to B complement. Your answer is B complement. Let me check another one. First of all, how to write the cell number? Please see. Cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 2, this is 3, 4, 5, last is 6, second last is 7. What are the min terms? 0, 2, 4, 6. Please see. 0, 2, 4, 6. 0, 2, 4, 6. As we have discussed, due to the beauty of gray codes, you can form this first group and last group you can combine. You can consider it as a piece of paper and then you can fold your piece of paper. Considering this map as a piece of paper, you have the facility to assume that you can fold the paper. If you will fold the paper, these two ones will become in neighboring with these two ones. See, for example, these four are the neighboring min terms. These four are the neighboring min terms. In the same way, these two and these two, total these four are all neighboring cells because last can be connected to the first as I have already explained to you. Now please see. This is A complement and this is A. You should have practice of directly writing the variables here without using bits 0 and 1. This is B complement C complement, this is B complement C, this is BC and this is B C complement. Now see, A is changing, it will not be part of the answer. B complement and B are changing, so B is not the part of the answer. Obviously, C complement is the answer. Obviously, your answer is C complement. Let us come to the next one. First of all, let us again give the cell numbers. Please see, cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 2 in the last, 3 in the second last, 4, 5, 6 in the last, 7 in the second last. Min terms 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now, this is A complement and this is A. This is A complement and A. This is B complement, C complement. This is B complement, C, B, C, B, C complement. Initially, if you have problem writing this sequence, start with 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and then 1, 0. Then maybe in the next step, you can write this one. Now, there we can form a group of 4 minterms and group of 2 minterms. Here again we have a new concept. Here again we have a new concept. What is the new concept? This minterm I am taking in both the groups. What it actually means when I consider one minterm in 2 groups, what it actually means, please see here. Consider expression ABC plus ABC complement plus A complement BC. Now see the logic. See, this ABC can be used to minimize this one because BC is common. ABC can be used to minimize this because BC is common. ABC can also be used to minimize this one because AB is common. We can use ABC with this also, we can use ABC with this also. Now you tell me, finally, with whom I should use. Whether I should use ABC with this one or I should use ABC with this one. I will use with both of them. How? Please see. A complement BC plus ABC plus ABC plus ABC complement. We already have done this type of discussion if you remember before in Boolean algebra. Now reducing these two will give you BC and reducing these two will give you AB. See, this ABC we used with both. How? Writing it 2 times. Writing it 2 times because in Boolean we can write A is equal to A plus A, B is equal to B plus B, X is equal to X plus X and so on. So it is actually the same thing. In this Boolean algebra, we are writing one minterm 2 times so that it can be used for both the terms. Exactly the same meaning. This minterm can help this minterm also and this minterm can help these 3 minterms also. So one minterm can support minimization of 2 groups. Physical significance or actual significance I have already discussed here. Now let us focus on the answer. Let us focus on the answer. Now please see. In this quad, we actually use the word quad for 4 minterms. For 2 minterms we use pair, for 4 we use quad and for 8 we use octet. Okay. In this quad, definitely A will not be occur, A will not be the answer because it is changing. In this quad, definitely A will not come. In this quad, definitely B will not come. Definitely B will not come. So only variable which will come is C. So this variable is C. This variable is C. Now come to this pair. Come to this pair. For this pair, A complement is common. For this pair, A complement is common. What is changing? For this pair, C and C complement, C is changing. C is changing means what is common? B is common. So listen carefully. For this pair, B is common. For this pair, A complement is also common. So the term will be A complement B. For this pair, you can have a look, A complement is common. For this pair, you can have a look, A complement is common. And for this pair, you can have a look, B is common. So answer is A complement B. Now, let me have some question for POS. Let us have some question for POS. Now, what will not change is the cell number. 0, 1, last one is 2, second last is 3, 4, 5, last one is 6, second last is 7. This will not change. Now, this is A, this is B and C. This is A, this is B and C. So this is A is equal to 0, A is equal to 1, B, C is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Sum terms. POS means sum term. So this would become B plus C, B plus C complement, B complement plus C complement, B complement plus C. Sum term, product term, sorry, sum term, max term, POS. 0 means normal, 1 means complement. Min terms 3, 5, 7. First of all, I have to find max term because as discussed, I am saying we are solving it using POS. For solving it using POS, you need max term. For solving it using POS, you need max term. So what are the max terms number? 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. Please see. 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. 0, 1, 2, 4 and 6. 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. How to form the group? First see, this is a quad. First see, this quad is possible. These are your 4 neighboring max term. I have already told you last can be connected to first. Now this 0 is left. This max term I can use twice. So 1 quad plus 1 pair is the best possibility here. So first of all you should try to learn what are the best possibilities. Then the last step is writing down the answer. Now please see. In this quad, please see, in this quad, A is changing. So A is not the part of the answer. In this quad, A is changing, A is not the part of the answer. B and B complement. B is changing, B is not the part of the answer. So only part of the answer is C. So this term is C. Now for this pair. For this pair, please see. For this pair, see. What is not the part of the answer? C is not the part of the answer as C is changing. C is not the part of the answer. For this pair, B is common. And for this pair, A is also common. So for this pair, A is also common and B is also common. For this pair, A is also common and B is also common. For this pair, A is also common and B is also common. Next. Okay, so I have not completed yet, sorry, I have not completed yet. See, this is product of sum. This is product of sum. Sum terms, I have to dot. Product of what? Product of sum. We are using POS now. We are using POS, product of sum. This is sum term. So this sum term is A plus B and this sum term is C. This is your answer. A plus B dot C. This is your answer. This is your answer, A plus B dot C. Product of sum. Each term is a sum. We have to make a dot operation. Product of sum. Okay. Now, min terms 4 and 6. Again we are trying to use POS. For POS I need max term. For POS I need max term. So what will be the max term? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 5. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 5. So what are the cell numbers? Cell number 0, cell number 1, last one is 2, second last is 3. 4, 5, last one is 6, second last is 7. This side is A and this side is B, C. This side is A, this side is B, C. A is equal to 0, A is equal to 1, BC is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. This is POS. In POS, 0 corresponds to normal, 1 corresponds to complement. POS, each term is a sum term. B plus C, B plus C complement, B complement plus C complement, B complement plus C. What are the max term number? Max term number are 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Sorry, 7 is also there. I have missed 7. Please mark it. 7 is also there. So 7 is also there. Now you have to check what are the best possible group. As discussed, rectangle is possible. As discussed, horizontal line is possible. Horizontal line is possible, vertical line is possible, rectangle is possible, diagonals are not possible. Rectangles also of size 4 and 8 are possible, not of size 6. Now, how to write down the final answer? Now, there are two groups. This is the first group and this is the second group. Now, this group, what is common? See, for this group 1, 3, 5, 7, for this group A is changing. We have A and A complement both, so that will be reduced. For this group, look at the top, B is also changing, B and B complement. For this group, I am marking B and B complement are changing, so the only common part is C complement. The only common part is C complement. Again see, 1, 3, 5, 7, C complement, C complement. 1, 3, 5, 7, what is common? Only C complement is common. Now see this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, what is common? A is common. 0, 1, 2, 3, A is common. Now again see, we are using product of sum. Sum dot product. Product of sum means individual terms are sum and then we have to do dot operation. Individual terms are sum and then we have to multiply. So this is the first individual term, this is the second individual term. This is the first individual term, this is the second individual term. So the answer is A dot C complement. Individual terms are some terms, we have multiplied them. So this is A dot C complement. So in this part we have discussed maximum possibilities for 3 variable K-map for both SOP and POS as well.